hey, to change a lock screen clock style on the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to open the settings. Then from this you will have to actually navigate into the wallpaper and the style, and now select lock screen. From this, just click on the clock, and as you can see from here, we can actually pick the different clock styles. Let's say that I want to get, for example, maybe this one. And from this, we can also change font of our clock. When you click on those dots, we can also download additional dots, fonts. But let's say that I want to get this one. And now, if I click on it one more time, I can also change color of my clock. There we go. And now I can go back. And as you can see, additionally, I can add even city into my clock. So I can pick the destination. There we go. I can click add. And that's it. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.